allow yourself to get as comfortable as you'd like, closing those beautiful eyes of yours once you're organized. Now start inviting your awareness to just become more and more present. Slowly breath and experience of being in your body, becoming aware of the points of contact between you and the outer layer on which you're resting. Feeling the earth's pull, letting your abdominal area be soft as you feel the breath flowing as freely as it would like to. If it feels right to you, you may invite any muscles you do not need to use right now to become heavy and slack as you stay connected to your breathing, to yourself. Am here. Inhale deeply into a sense of your own presence right now. As your breath returns to its natural pace, embrace the feeling of how good you are tuning into your presence. There's something within that presence that feels as though it is all you've ever wanted or thought you needed. There is so much for you here in your own loving presence. Let yourself feel this in your body. Feel your presence. Nearly at once it initiates to feel as though there is nothing at all that you've ever needed to do or prove. And now you can tune into a letting go of judgment, hurt. Choosing in this moment to simply be, occur, and sense the feeling of I am enjoying your own presence. Letting it be enough for you, not for any specific reason other than it just is. As you stay present with these wonderful feelings, let yourself take in the following messages. There will be pauses between each of them for you to simply bask in whatever feelings you receive. Enjoy your experience, letting yourself ease off into a subtle yet powerful truth. And you are capable of choosing love in every moment in the presence within you. And you can feel it when you tap into your own presence. At least for the most part. And we are free in our own presence. And there is nothing that we need to do. There is merely that which we can do, which we get to do from our presence. It's subtle, it's gentle, and it's natural. Always right there, ready for you to access it, ready for you to let it be enough for you, if only for this practice and this moment now. Continue to breathe in and out of this experience, staying in this feeling as long as you can. And when you are ready to exit this practice, do so by taking your time. There's nothing to rush into, for your goal in the transition back to the world around you is to stay fully connected to your own I amness, while in extremely slow pace, begin to move your body as it likes to. Open your eyes once you're ready. Great job today.